Welcome to Asia Engineers Forum. Asia Engineers Forum, a learning space created to connect engineering theory with real shop floor practices. Many engineers learn concepts in classrooms, but struggle when they face real machines, drawings, and process decisions in industry. This channel is designed to transform you into a confident, industry-ready process engineer.
This textbook is written in a conversational style to enhance contextual understanding and improve retention among trainees. In addition, it incorporates objective-type questions and topic-specific KPIs to promote effective practice and in-depth learning.
This channel offers a milestone-based syllabus with focused, step-by-step learning to help you transform into an industry-ready engineer within defined timelines. Here is the roadmap for progressing from trainee to process lead. Milestone 1, 0 to 3 months as trainee. Milestone 2, 3 to 9 months as operator. Milestone 3, 9 to 12 months as process engineer. Milestone 4, 12 to 15 months as process lead. Your learning journey starts with turning as the base machine, building strong manufacturing fundamentals. Here are the learning milestones to guide your journey. Turning operations and applications. Milestone 1, 0 to 3 months, manufacturing fundamentals, shop floor and machine orientation, GD&T. Milestone 2, 3 to 9 months, turning operations, equipment selection, applications, work holding devices, turning inserts and geometry, tool holders, chip breakers, and machining parameters, feed, cutting speed, depth of cut. Milestone 3, 9 to 12 months, performance and productivity, design for manufacturing, DFM, process flow diagrams, PFD, PFMEA, control plans, inspection reports, setup sheets, work instruction, cycle time calculation, tool life, surface finish, tool wear, maintenance, and qualification, machining time estimation and cost calculation, IQ, OQ, PQ. Milestone 4, 12 to 15 months, quality and problem solving, gauge R&R, XR chart, CP, CPK, A3 problem solving, 5Y analysis and MSA.
With 25 years of industry experience across multiple domains, this book has been carefully compiled to guide upcoming engineers. Its purpose is to shorten the learning curve and help young professionals deliver results that truly match industry expectations. This work is a sincere effort to bridge the gap between academic learning and real-world industry requirements. Book now available worldwide. You can purchase the book on Amazon and Flipkart, accessible in India and abroad, with distribution support from India, Singapore, and Malaysia.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn together and make engineering education stronger and better for tomorrow. We are on a mission to create 1 million process engineers by 2030.